Attention viewer, you are watching the world's biggest monster truck diecast YouTube channel. This is Monster Jam OCD.
Well, welcome back everyone to another Monster Jam OCD preview video. Today we are previewing Mix 11, and Mix 11 actually has a couple trucks that I've been looking forward to most this year, and through some sneak peek feedback, I've also seen that people agree with that. So today I'm going to show you one truck from Mix 11, as I've been doing with Mix 10. I think you guys appreciate the previews and then seeing the mix review at a couple weeks later, rather than just doing a mix review and no preview. So I really appreciate your guys' opinions and feedback, and it's helped me kind of create a schedule for what I want to do before mix reviews now. So today is Mix 11's preview. There's going to be two of them. I am previewing Salvager today, and I will preview the new Batman a week from today, I believe, on my schedule. Salvager is number 1 of 3 for this year's Reckless trucks. And to give a kind of a formal background on Reckless trucks, they are basically a junkyard compilation of pieces. So basically, Salvager, it's not a real truck, but I guess you would call it the team captain of the Reckless trucks, because from this point forward, there's real trucks being made instead of fantasy trucks like this one. So when we see Gravedigger come out, Gravedigger will be a compilation of basically all of the different Gravediggers that they've had, at least the most popular ones, like the Legend, and then Grandma, Green Ghost, and normal Gravedigger. So we'll see all those pieces come together in one. But Salvager really is just one singular truck. It's not a bunch of different panels, because Salvager is a fantasy truck. So it kind of took on a different role, and it is the best one, I think, to start with, because we get to look forward to now the realistic ones. And that is in no way to diss Salvager. Salvager is an amazing piece, and when I first saw the resin prototype, or whatever you would call the original prototype, where it's just all gray, the casting was so interesting to see without paint. And actually, it was just a couple weeks ago that I actually got to see this for the first time in person, so that would be when I got this truck. So Salvager, if we take a look at it, has a lot of detail hidden inside of the casting, and also kind of in the decals too. So the side panel has kind of a spray paint dripping down effect for its logo. We have the Monster Jam logo up there, and you can see it has like some bolts with rope trying to hold on these pipes and exhaust fixtures. So you can see that rope kind of holding on this piece, and then we have a rusty pipe that leads to this exhaust pipe up here coming off the side. It is multicolored, so it's got brown, blue, red, and green, and that's actually matched up in its rim color with red, blue, and then the other two, green and brown. So this is the first and only diecast truck to ever feature, to this point at least, ever feature 4 different colors of rims on one truck. Mattel started to do theirs with 2 colors of rims for the demo Derby series, or whatever it was called, but this is the first one to ever have 4 different colored rims, so that's pretty unique in itself. It has a dark gray roll cage. It's solid. It's not a transparent one like we've seen in the past, so that's pretty cool as well, and a gray chassis. And then you can see there's a lot of rust detail, although it's kind of hard to see it, I guess you would say, because the blue, rust is not a good color to put over blue. I've learned that in my own customizing process. So, and then if we look on the back here, we actually have an oil drum, or I guess maybe even exhaust can full of either gasoline or oil or something up there, tied down. You can see it's tied down to the roof by these 2 bolts here. And I just think that's such a unique, this entire truck's just so unique. I love the detail. I've always loved detail, you guys know that. So this is definitely a really cool detail. It has rust on that oil can up there, and it even has the opening there, the nozzle. And then some more exhaust pipes. I'm not sure what this thing right here is supposed to be. I guess maybe just like a little toolbox or something, but that's there as well. Same exhaust pipes, same exact decals going on this side. Again, it's the only Reckless truck that will be symmetrical. The rest of them will look different on each side. So this is that side, and then it has a pretty interesting windshield. I love the long windshield that it's been given, and the roof also is a very unique pattern. It's just an overall awesome looking Mad Max type vehicle. And then we have the front here, which I'm not sure if it's supposed to be rust or if it's supposed to be like wooden on the grill, but it kind of looks like wood to me, but it probably is a rusty grill, similar to that of Time Flies. The motor here actually has headers coming off of it, so that's pretty cool. They put 2 motors and at least give them both exhaust pipes connected to the proper area. It has some vents here on the hood, a red hood obviously with some more rust, and then it has one kind of patched up headlight and one normal headlight with some brown around that. And overall, I think that Salvager has tossed us into such a creative world in Spin Master and in Monster Jam's diecast line history. And I cannot wait to see what else they make with this line. So anyway, Salvager, that's definitely a very unique truck, and I'm just super excited with this release. And I know a lot of people, again, are looking forward to this. Some of them actually most this year, but a lot of them kind of, it's in their top rankings, I would say. But there's so many other cool castings like this to come. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please let me know what you guys think about this truck in the comments below, and tell me what you guys are looking forward to most this year from the singles poster. Again, this was one of the top trucks for some people, so I want to hear your guys' feedback and if that was true for you or not. So comment below. I can't wait to see what you guys have to say. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. This is Ryan, Monster Jam OCD, signing out.